Analog Devices LTC6228 high-speed operational amplifiers are fast, low noise, and low distortion op amps ideal for driving high-speed, high dynamic range ADCs. They can also be used in fast photodiode amplifiers or to replace high-speed op amps in existing designs for improved performance. LTC6228 op amps have input referred voltage noise specified at 0.88 nanovolts per root hertz, as well as second and third order harmonic distortion below -100 dBc with a 2 MHz 4 volt peak-to-peak input. They're ideal for applications with a high dynamic range. They can operate from a single or dual supply configuration with a 2.8 to 11.75 volt supply range, and the input range of the op amp includes the negative supply rail. They also have low input offset voltage and drift, as well as a 110 dB common mode rejection ratio. The op amps include input bias cancellation circuitry, and this can be disabled to minimize current noise. The high speed of the LTC6228 allows designers to use it with fast and wide swinging inputs. It has an 890 MHz gain bandwidth product and a 730 MHz -3 dB bandwidth. It also has a 500 volt per microsecond slew rate. Combined, this lets the LTC6228 drive the output in response to large amplitude, high frequency inputs. The output swings from rail to rail and can drive a current greater than 90 milliamps. The op amps consume just 16 milliamps of supply current, and this drops to 500 microamps in shutdown to extend battery life. They're offered in SOIC 8, TSOT 23, and DFN 6 packages, and are designed to operate from -40 to +125 degrees Celsius. To learn more about Analog Devices LTC6228 high-speed op amps and the LTC6229 dual-channel variant, visit mou.sr.com.